Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adora, known as Adorable, and today on this channel I'm going to show you how to make yogurt without a yogurt maker. You just need your milk, an old yogurt for culture, and your stove top. So we'll be needing milk. I'm using whole milk, and I have Greek yogurt as my culture. It doesn't have to be Greek yogurt. You can make use of any type of yogurt, but please make sure it is plain, unsweetened, and also make sure that it has live and active cultures. As you can see, mine contains 7 live and active cultures. It doesn't have to be 7, it can just be 1, but make sure that it has at least one live culture. Okay, so we start by pouring the milk inside a pot. Use your spatula and on a low to medium heat stir the milk continuously until it reaches almost a boiling point or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So to our culture, I'll be making use of half cup of my Greek yogurt. So the measurement should be 1 cup of milk to 1 tablespoon of your culture. So transfer your culture to a jar and set it aside. So continue stirring your milk using low heat. So the rationale for heating up the milk is to change the protein structure in the milk so that it will be able to form solid. That is our yogurt consistency. So you need to heat it up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you don't have a cooking thermometer, you will know by when you see foam, when you see that the milk is almost forming, like just approaching the boiling point. But don't let the milk to boil because it is going to overflow and everything is going to spill. So once it starts forming at the top, turn off your heat and let it cool down to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit or until it is cool to touch. When the milk has cooled down, scoop some of it and transfer into the culture. Use it to dissolve the culture properly. After dissolving it and you sure that everything is completely dissolved, transfer it back into the pot of milk and mix everything properly. Cover the pot. You can also cover it with some towel. Leave it in a very warm place to culture. I left mine inside my oven and I turned on my oven light to keep it warm. So after 8 hours my yogurt was set and I brought it out. So this is the end product of our yogurt. This is it is ready. So it also depends on how solid you want your yogurt to be. The longer you leave it to set, the more thick it will become and the more tart it will become. That is like sour. If you want it to sour, you should leave it for longer period. And this is our yogurt, so rich. So if you notice there's some liquid parts to it, that is called our whey, and it is very proteinous. So if you like very thick yogurt, what you need to do is to sieve it. You can use a muslin bag and transfer the yogurt there and just try and separate the whey from the main yogurt. But the whey is also proteinous and highly nutritious. So what I normally do is just to mix everything together. But please, before you start enjoying this yogurt, remember to take out your next culture for your next batch of yogurt, then leave it in the fridge to cool down. Add any sweetener of your choice like sugar or honey, and use any topping of your choice like strawberry, almond, anything at all. Just enjoy your yogurt. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye.